Sir, how you feel like become Modi? What people tell you when they take selfies and handshake with you?
So when I move out in public, most of the people feel that Modi is moving around. So they insist on taking selfies, they take pictures. They sometimes they ask question why you are moving without security. This type of questions I generally receive. Sometimes people come with their personal problems, some advice on how to do what type of development works are required in the country. So they feel that they are meeting Modi. This is their first reaction.
तो आपको कैसा फील होता है जब आपके साथ लोग सेल्फी खिंचवाते हैं? गर्व महसूस होता है?
I feel good uh, because I get lot of respect from the people. Uh, I feel that they respect, they love Modi. That's why the similar respect is being given to me.
What do you think about Modi and his government? Do you think Modi will win the election this time and become prime minister again?
Definitely, the achievements of Modi government during the last 5 years, and these are marvelous, which I think no other prime minister could do, no other government could do. Still, I have visited number of states of this country. For example, I visited almost the entire area of Jharkhand. I have seen still there are persons who have still not used cloth for covering their body. They are using tree leaves. I have seen Santhal Pragna of Jharkhand area where I have not seen any old man because they didn't get this proper drinking water, filtered water. They are using hand pump water, this talabs, unka pani. So that's why in they die in their 40s only because they could not get proper health, proper water. There's nothing. Number of areas I have seen, there is no development work, no other earlier government could achieve. And this Modi government is very much interested in doing good things for the downtrodden, for the poor people, which no other government could do. I wish him that he must become Prime Minister again so that the pending development work of the India, he should act in, he should complete those projects which he has taken in hand. Uh, this number of projects which no other government could initiate, such as this Jan Dhan Yojana, the Swachh Bharat, this Ujjwala, and moreover this Bangladesh border. In 65, 70 years, they could not fix the Bangladesh border. This government, Modi government, immediately this completed the task immediately after taking over the government. So I wish him he must succeed. He must become the prime minister. He is coming with a good majority, thumping majority, and definitely if he form the government in second term.
How the match his appearance, look, style, talking to other, etc., etc.
And this is God's miracle. I got a similar face. It was just by chance I stopped. Earlier I was dyeing my hairs. I stopped dyeing my hairs in the year 2013. Just 1 year prior to this Modi ji coming to limelight, and it's just by chance I got this popularity and this. I am wearing this kurta pajama, this type which Modi ji is wearing. I am wearing for the last more than 20-25 years. So the only thing is I stopped dyeing and this Modi look uh, came to my face. Then I am getting respect from the people.
ऐसा कोई वाक्या कभी लोगों को ऐसा लगा हो कि हमारे बीच में मोदी जी आ गए हैं? कोई
Yes,
ऐसा कोई वाक्य याद है?
several time it has happened. Once it happened, I was assigned this Swachh Bharat duty for a organization to supervise the work at Mathura railway station. A number of persons came with their problems. Then I have to convince them by showing the media coverage in my mobile. Then they could trust that I am not Modi. Otherwise, when I move in public places, I was once I was moving in metro, and most of the persons, it was very difficult to convince them that I am not Modi. They say uh, there should not be any havoc, so that's why you are not disclosing you are Modi. And then I showed them their my media coverage in mobile. Then I could convince them.
कोई जैसे कि आप अपने रिलेटिव्स या किसी मीटिंग्स में जाते हैं तो वहाँ भी कुछ एक मोदी ऐसी फेस होने का कोई प्राउड फील होता है?
Yeah, similar वैसे क्योंकि every public place at every function family or most of the wherever I go, I get this special attention because of Modi lookalike. Yeah. So I was very much interested in doing this Modi biopic. When I came to know that Paresh Rawal ji has been granted permission by Modi ji to produce biopic on him, I immediately contacted Paresh Rawal ji, and he was very excited to see me. And first he encouraged me to, I must meet Modi ji. Immediately I mailed him. I was very much interested to do that film. And I have no interest in direct politics, though I respect Modi ji, his way of working, his achievements, because I'm connected with their religious organization. I have no interest in direct politics. And still, if any assignment is given to me by the party, definitely I'll consider to do something for the country, for the nation, for the party. जी.
मोदी जी के फेस होने का कोई फ़ायदा मिला अभी तक लाइफ में?
I'm not interested in gaining any this such a type of benefit. Otherwise, I'm getting lot of respect from the people, lot of love from the people, and I don't feel I should get any benefit because of lookalike. It's a God's gift. I should not misuse this, I think. Yeah.
तो कब से आपने ऐसा लुक बनाना स्टार्ट किया? क्योंकि पहले प्रधानमंत्री बनने मोदी के प्रधानमंत्री बनने से पहले या उनके बाद?
My look is prior to his coming to limelight. So his name was announced by the party sometime in August or September 2014, and my look is yeah, in the beginning of 2013. I don't change anything. It's God's miracle. It's all natural.
Sir, how you feel like become Modi? What people tell when they take selfies and handshake with you?
So it's God's miracle. Uh, when I move out in public, people feel good in getting selfies, getting clicked with me, and their mostly their reaction is that Modi ji is moving in public. And they sometimes they come with their problems. Sometimes they ask me, why are you moving without security? Such type of questions I get. जी.
सर अगर बात करें मोदी जी की तो
जी.
किस तरीके से प्राउड फील होता है जब लोग आके सेल्फी खिंचाते हैं?
देखो, I feel very comfortable, and I feel so much respect and love because the achievements of Modi government are unparalleled. No earlier government could achieve such things which Modi ji achieved in the last 5 years. For example, uh, no earlier government considered the Bangladesh border, fixing the border, and this government immediately after taking over, they decided the boundaries of the nation. In other terms, if we see the work done by the Modi government for the poor people, I don't think any government, earlier government could do such things which Modi government achieved in 5 years. I have seen a number of states in Jharkhand. I have seen this Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. There are so much these undeveloped areas where no government touched. There is an area called Diara in Bihar. There is a community Gangoth. This no government, earlier government could do anything for that community. This we can then see agar Jharkhand, where this so big state or so rich a state in minerals, any sincere government could have achieved as this to make this state as a Switzerland, because resources are unlimited. No earlier government could achieve such things. This government is doing for the poor and the downtrodden, like Swachh Bharat, this Ujjwala, this Jan Dhan Yojana. Mm, These are the achievements of the government. I wish him success. He should again come to power, form the government, and do the this complete the projects which he has taken in hand.
लेकिन अगर बात करें प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की,
जी
अभी सारे विपक्ष एक होके नरेंद्र मोदी को हराना चाहता है, इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
because this earlier elections we generally see this they have some point like corruption, this price rise, and this time there is no such agenda with the opposition. They have only one target, that is Modi Hatao, and the Modi has only one point program, how to develop India, how to give relief to the downtrodden, how to work for the poor people which are untouched for the last 60, 70 years. So because of their this gapalas, jitne bhi, all the opposition parties, some of them, most of them have big scandals connected with them, big scams with them, and this is the only government where you cannot name even a single scam in his entire period. And I think he should again become Prime Minister of India and complete the projects and do a good work for the nation. So the India could become a superpower. India should become a developed country, and every Indian citizen should feel proud because of the good work being done by Modi government.